Guys, good morning. Nakita ko lang itong naka-orders natin for today. Pedal strap na enemy. Mga designs available sa site. You can check it out. And then, itong ating enemy na pedals. Yan. Partner yan. Pwede itong lagyan ng pedal strap. Pwede pang BMX. Pwede pang mountain bike. So, ito pala yung camo version ng enemy pedals natin, ha. Meron tayong crimson at saka itong green. Itong enemy. Then, the project na seat clamp, 29.8 project. Then, bar tape na paisley, the project also. And itong the project natin, ito available na, nag-restock na tayo. The project na saddle, promo railing. And ito rin, meron din tayo saddle na Taiwan. Promo din yung kanyang railing. This one is on sale right now. 700 lang yata to eh. 700 pesos for this. Available na color nito is white only. So, while supplies last. Open ang shop. So, for orders, you can just DM us. Or you can order via Lazada. And also on our website, you can also order there. Or you can drop by the shop and see you here. Have a great day, guys!